Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Bank Nifty. Here I am using weekly chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see, this is this week's candle. This is last week's candle. We can call this candle as gravestone doji, and this is a indecision candle this week. Generally, if you see this type of candle, it is gravestone doji or something like that, then we will see a sharp move like this. But this time it did not happen like that. Here also you can see this is a reversal candle after long run. The next week we have seen a big downtrend. Here also you can see this is a shooting star type of candle. The next week we have seen a strong fall. Here also two candles like this. The next week we have seen a strong fall. Here also two candles like this. After that we have seen a strong fall. In the same way, here also after this type of candle, we expected a sideways to downside movement, but it did not happen because the other index, the leader index Nifty, is continuously moving upside with making new all-time highs. That's the reason Bank Nifty was stuck in this range this week. If we see a small correction in the Nifty, then we can see a sharp fall in Bank Nifty. So if you want to short, don't short Nifty, short Bank Nifty. If you want to long, then don't long Bank Nifty, you can long Nifty. Now let's shift the time frame to daily and see the important levels. See, this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. In the last week analysis also, I told you the same thing. We are in precise impulsive move and we will see a correction till here. This is what we said in the last week. And also I told you that this 44,350 to 44,600 will act as a strong support for Bank Nifty this week. Let's see what happened. From here, the same thing happened. From the last 5 trading sessions, Bank Nifty tested this area, and in the last trading session also, we have seen a bounce from this level only. What is that level? From 44,600. So what are the important levels for the coming week? For that, let's shift the time frame to hourly and see the important levels for the coming week. See, in Bank Nifty is in the correction phase as per daily chart, right? So it is moving zigzag, that is the downtrend is like this. Impulsive move, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. This is, keep in mind that this complete phase is the correction of this impulsive move, this impulsive move. We are in correction phase. So the correction comes, if the correction comes, it will come till this level, 44,000 to 350 to 44,600. This is what we discussed in the last week, and Bank Nifty is continuously moving in between this channel. So it is testing the upside of the channel, again it is coming downside, and again from here it is taking support and it is moving upside. So what are the important levels for the coming week? For the coming week, we can say we can take this level, which is 45,200. This is from this level 44,200 we can plan a long, because if Bank Nifty comes out of this 44,200, it will come out of this channel and it will also break all these swing highs. So we can take this level as, for keeping buffer, we can take this level as 44,200 as the important level to long Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty sustains above this 44,200 and makes a pattern like this, then we can long Bank Nifty from here for the targets of 44,600 will be the first target, 45,600 will be the first target, and the second target will be 45,900 on the upside. What are the important levels? That is from where we can short Bank Nifty. We can short Bank Nifty only below this level, 44,350, because this is the important support for Bank Nifty. I will zoom out this thing so that you can see why it is so important. Because after spending more than 8 weeks in this area, Bank Nifty has given a breakout in this area. After spending more than 8 weeks in between this range and this range, Bank Nifty has given a breakout of this range. So the same area will now act as support for Bank Nifty. So what are the short position for Bank Nifty? We can short Bank Nifty only below this level, below 44,350. We can short Bank Nifty for the targets of 44,000 will be the first target, and the second target will be 43,780 on the downside. These are the levels for next week. Now let's see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. For that, we will shift the time frame to 15 minutes and see the important levels for Monday trading session. See, this is the 15 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. So this swing high, that is Friday's high, which is 44,950. Above this level, we can long Bank Nifty for that. These are the intraday levels. Above 44,950, our first target on upside will be 45,080 and the second target will be 45,200 on the upside. And on the downside, below 44,600, we can short Bank Nifty for the targets of, the first target will be 44,500 and the second target will be 44,000. Now let's see the analysis of Nifty. Here I am using Nifty daily chart. As you can see, this is the range which is valid for Nifty for the past 8 sessions. In the last trading session and the before on Thursday's trading session, it tried to give a breakout and unable to sustain and came back into this zone. But on Friday's trading session, it sustained above this 19,500 level and also it has given a close above this 19,530, which is an important resistance. So what are the important levels for Nifty for the coming week? Now the close is near 19,560 and it has made a high of almost 19,600. So let's take it as, to keep a small buffer, let's take it as 19,650 as our fresh long position. That is, if Nifty sustains above 19,650, then we can see the new all-time highs and our targets will be, the first target will be 19,780 will be the first target and the second target will be 19,980 on the upside. Only if Nifty sustains above 19,650. What are the short levels? Short levels will be only below this 19,300 for the weekly. For intraday levels, we will shift the time frame to 15 minutes. For the intraday levels means for the Monday's trading session levels, we will shift the time frame to 15 minutes and see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. Now this is the 15 minutes chart of Nifty. So on Monday, if Nifty sustains above 19,620, then we can long Nifty for the targets of, the first target will be 19,680 and the second target will be 19,725 on the long side. Short, the short position will be only below this level, which is near 19,470. So below 19,475, we can short Nifty for the targets of, the first target will be 19,400 and the second target will be 19,350 for the Monday's trading session. If you have any questions in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.